So I began by removing my old seam sealer. I needed to do that to get access to all of the spot welds that are here, that are being shown here. Yeah, then I just proceed to removing the rear body panel. It's pretty simple, pretty straight. I just got my belt sander and went all around the rear body panel, removing all of the spot welds that hold the rear body panel together. Don't blink or you'll miss, because I sped this up. You know, it's a pretty straightforward process. Like I said, I'm just going to be grinding down these spot welds and removing the rear body panel. Not all rear body panels are this simple. Sometimes you have to drill some out. Sometimes you have to just do a mixture of grinding and drilling. But this one's pretty straightforward, pretty easy, pretty simple. Just spot welds all around and boom, comes right out. On this next frame here, this is what it looks like after the spot weld has been grinded down. It's usually a circular spot weld, but now it's a burned circular spot weld. And then I proceed to just separating the panel. I'm just getting my seam sealer buster in between the rear body panel and the taillight pocket, and just all around the rear body panel, and this is how it comes out. But this is the end here, guys. That's pretty much it. Just grind your welds and go all around and separate the panel. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. Do all that good stuff. Turn the little bell on for the notifications to get my videos. And yeah, stay tuned for more, and I'll see you guys around.